What would your success look like if you put more strategy into your personal style? Never thought about it? Don't worry, you're not alone. Fashion and style is a subject often talked about and shoved in our faces, but there's actually more that goes into dressing the part successfully than wearing the latest fashionable item or putting on what someone else has on, especially if your goal is to succeed and increase your opportunities as a business or a brand. In this virtual style workshop, play up your fashion, dress your success in style. You'll have personal style consultant at MIIEN Consultancy, Mikara Reid, break down how to start using your image to your advantage and for your success beyond the surface level question and phrase, what to wear or how to wear. As a mover and shaker, you put a lot of effort into developing your talent, logo, social media, and community network. But what about your personal appearance, aka your visual resume? With you as the face of your business or brand, it's important to keep building a solid reputation all around, and this specific area of branding yourself visually is often ignored. So let's put an end to no style strategy and get you where you deserve to be. Grab your tickets to MIIEN's Play Up Your Fashion, dress your success in style with speaker Mikara Reid so you can start contributing to your success impact with your image. About the speaker for Play Up Your Fashion, dress your success in style. Mikara Reid is a New Jersey native turned DMV transplant, the founder, CEO of the fashion image brand MIIEN, and the personal style consultant that is noticeable for helping you brand, be, and wear your best at MIIEN Consultancy. Beyond her love for getting dolled up, exercising her creative abilities, and truly using her distinctive image as a business card, Mikara has 15 plus years of experience in the fashion marketing and communications industry. She has been featured in Forbes, Vogue, Bustle, and has worked with Louis Vuitton, Celine, Miss USA 2016, and other print and broadcast media. For the past 8 years, she has been educating as well as styling and consulting corporations and professionals to align who they are with suitable fashion wear that adds value to their lifestyle. Also, strategizing with ready-to-wear fashion brands to market their products with better impact. Aside from styling and consulting at MIIEN, mentoring or providing homegrown designers opportunities on her personal platform, Mikara pays kindness forward to less fortunate communities by offering basic provisions to alleviate their needs and inspire their hope for a better future. Have a few questions about the event? Stay tuned for the next video for frequently asked questions about this virtual style workshop. Have a few questions about Play Up Your Fashion, dress your success in style? Well, we're going to answer some. So let's get right into the frequently asked questions. What's needed for participating in this virtual style workshop? Well, it's not too many things, but here are the top 3 things you will definitely need: an open mind, a notebook, and pen. But if you prefer to use your computer to take notes, you can do so as well. And lastly, have fun. It's very important to have fun, especially at MIIEN Consultancy. We like to make things very interactive and resonate with our community and clients. So next question, what will I learn in this virtual style workshop? So here are a few things that you will learn. Everyone has a different perspective and just intake of how they learn. So here are a few things that you will learn. Optimizing your fashion choices, how to align your success with your wardrobe, the ability to influence your opportunities, the importance of a cohesive self-image for your success, and more. That is a few, but I'm sure once you go in, you're going to learn. You can definitely browse through our YouTube channel to kind of get a feel of, how Mikara Reid's mind or thinking is and how she goes about things. Next question. Where is the workshop located? It will be virtual, so we will be holding it in the Zoom. A special link will be given to you as soon as you purchase. Next question. What's the date and time for Play Up Your Fashion Style Workshop? So for Dress Your Success in Style, each Play Up Your Fashion will be its own series, which I'll explain later. So Dress Your Success in Style event will be held Thursday, February 27, 2025 at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Next question. What's the duration of Play Up Your Fashion, Dress Your Success Style Workshop? This workshop will be about an hour and a half. It may go a little over depending on how many guests we have. I like to have an engaging type of workshop. So, but we're going to say approximately an hour and a half, definitely. Next question. Can I cancel my ticket? Unfortunately, all sales are final. If you have any questions or concerns before purchasing, you can send an email to us via info@MIIEN, that's MIIEN.co. Please include in the title, Play Up Your Fashion, to make things a lot easier for us. Next question. What are the available payment options? Virtual workshops are paid in full upon checkout, and we accept all major credit cards. Next question. What will I receive when I attend this style workshop? You will receive the PowerPoint from the workshop that was presented by the speaker, Mikara Reid, and digital MIIEN notes. This is a copyright resource containing suggested tips, information, stats, footnotes, and more that is specific to the topic at hand. So in this case, it will be more specific to dressing your success in style. Next question. Who can join this workshop? Anyone who pays for a ticket is welcome to Play Up Your Fashion. This workshop would be ideal and valuable to someone over the age of 25 and more established or beginning to be established in their careers or their profession. It has a digital footprint and a raising visible presence, or they are the face of their business, so that these coachable methods can apply to impact their success and reputation. Next question. Do I need to show my face while the virtual workshop is happening? No, actually you don't. It's not a requirement. It's not a requirement to show your face during the workshop, but if a style question is asked, it would be best to have your camera on so that Mikara Reid can see the item in question to answer accurately and eliminate all assumptions. Still have a question that wasn't answered? Send us an email at info@MIIEN, that's MII.co, with the subject line, Play Up Your Fashion, to get it answered. So I know a lot of you guys were wondering, what is Play Up Your Fashion? Let's get right into it. What is Play Up Your Fashion? Play Up Your Fashion is MIIEN Consultancy style workshop series that highlights different areas of fashion identity to help you position yourself in a successful environment, whether that's personal or professional. Our consultancy focuses on fashion identity and individuality with our services, so it was important to create a special workshop that aligned with our values. Each event caters to a specific concern. For example, February 27th is Dress Your Success in Style. This focus is on helping you dress the part successfully by leveraging your look to add on to your talents and or work portfolio. And for those who are new to us, hello, how you doing? Who are we? We are MIIEN, pronounced MIIEN, like MEAN. I will be making a video about what's the distinction very soon. We are a personal style and image consultancy that provides services to movers and shakers, organizations, and fashion brands to help them showcase who they are and what they have to offer without saying a word. Since our expansion in 2023, we're continuing to take strides by evolving into a household name outside these services. What do we do best? Impactful appearances is the name of the game we play. That's why we are you-driven and not trend-driven. It's important to keep up a certain level of originality and prestige for our clients. That's why we offer these services. personal styling, style development, virtual coaching, makeovers, closet audits and organizations, e-commerce styling, and workshops. What are our values? Our values, we're not your typical consultancy. That's why Mikara's approach to styling is by bridging who you are with suitable wear that adds value to you. And by doing so, these are our top 3 core values: communication, confidence, and commitment. Who's Mikara Reid? Mikara Reid, the woman behind the entity MIIEN, has over 15 years of experience in the fashion, retail, and marketing industry, working under prominent brands and companies. You're not just looking at another person that can put fabulous looks together. She is a seasoned and well-rounded fashion professional that sets you up for long-term success with her proprietary method. And lastly, why choose MIIEN? What's so special about this fashion consultancy? How often do you look yourself in the mirror after choosing the outfits and actually say to yourself, well, damn, I look good and feel good? That is the exact expression you will have by the time Mikara Reid is done with you. She mirrors in on helping you discover your fashion identity. She has come to identify it is the core in achieving your personal style goals. And if you didn't know, the additional I in MIIEN is the symbol of individuality. Each attendee for this ticket Play Up Your Fashion has an exclusive add-on offer with their tickets. Once you purchase your ticket, you will see the special offer. Can't wait to see you there. See you on February 27th at 6:30 p.m.